Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in KineMaster safe and legal way. No hacks, no cracked app, and no way to open your phone. Let's begin. First, open the KineMaster, create or open any project. If you export using the free version, you will see a KineMaster watermark. To remove it, tap Go Premium. Choose a plan that fits you monthly or yearly. After upgrading, export your video again. Now the watermark is completely gone. This is the best and safe method. Some users get a premium free trial. Open the KineMaster and tap on the try premium free. If you see it, activate the trial. During the trial period, no watermark, all premium feature will unlock. Remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. This method works only if the watermark is at the edge. After editing, tap crop, slightly zoom the video to cut out the watermark. This may reduce your video quality, so use it only if needed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.